The aftermath of wrecked Tesla Cybertruck crashed outside of the Beverly Hills Hotel doesn't look good. The truck jumped on the concrete landscaping curb. This impacted the truck's front underbody the most. The truck was seen at a car dealer workshop 4 miles away from the Beverly Hills Hotel. The damage to the truck looks quite severe. Both the front passenger wheels were ripped off by the impact. The front plastic bumper is torn apart. The right fender of the truck has detached from the underbody. The angular design of the Cybertruck has made it a sharp and pointy stainless steel object. This damages could be due to the truck's immense power or perhaps some misunderstanding on how to shift the truck into its various gears. It'll be interesting to see if this Cybertruck can be repaired or if it's a total loss. Also, how long will it take to get parts and be repaired if it can be?